Welcome to our Bits of Stock walkthrough series. Today, we'll guide you through your first user experience on our Bits of Stock app. In the rewards section of the app, you'll be prompted to choose your stock. Remember, this selection can be changed at any time, and you can learn more about this in our Select Your Stock Pick video. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's select Apple stock. Once we've selected the Apple stock, we'll begin receiving rewards in the form of Apple stock shares at a rate of 2.5%. As you can see, your rewards history will also be visible here. However, since we haven't earned any rewards yet, there are no rewards to show. If we scroll up, we can see that the threshold for redeeming rewards in Apple stock is $5. You'll also be able to view your Bits of Stock portfolio here. To receive any rewards, you'll need to accumulate at least $5 worth of rewards in Apple stock. As the information provided explains, once you reach the 5 threshold, you can redeem your rewards and set up your brokerage account. At the moment, you don't have a brokerage account opened. This can be confirmed by navigating to your Bits of Stock Documents module. The Documents module isn't viewable because you don't have a linked brokerage account. However, you can create and link a brokerage account once you've accumulated and crossed the $5 rewards threshold. Let's return to the Bits of Stock Rewards module. Now let's fast forward and assume that we've been using the app for some time and have managed to accumulate $5.02 in Microsoft Stock Rewards. On our Bits of Stock Rewards page, we can now see a new button indicating that we can redeem $5.02 in Microsoft stock. As we have reached the threshold of $5, we can now open a brokerage account. This can be done in several places. For instance, you can go to your Bits of Stock portfolio and click on the pop-up, allowing you to create the brokerage account by clicking on Create My Brokerage. Alternatively, you can go to your Bits of Stock Documents tab. Here, you will see a message indicating that you do not yet have a linked brokerage account. However, once you have reached the minimum threshold of $5 in rewards for a specific stock, you can create one. By clicking on Open a Brokerage Account, you can navigate to the Create My Brokerage through the pop-up and be directed to the same page. Let's try doing this through the Bits of Stock Rewards module. All you need to do is click on the Redeem Your Amount in Microsoft Stock button and then on Create My Brokerage. We will then need some basic information from you, such as your legal first name, middle name, and last name, your email address, phone number, country of tax residence, date of birth, your SSN or ITIN, and whether you're a U.S. citizen or not, your address, postal code, state, and the country. Next, we will need some financial information from you, such as your employment status, account funding source, and investable or liquid assets. If you're unsure about anything, small explanations are available at the bottom, so make sure to check those out. You can also add any beneficiaries to your account if you wish. You can add primary beneficiaries, which is someone named to inherit the account. You can have up to 6 of these beneficiaries. Your Bits of Stock app also allows adding secondary beneficiaries. A secondary beneficiary is someone named to inherit the account if the primary beneficiaries cannot. In this case, let's not add any. Next, fill out some affiliations. Lastly, make sure that you agree to all the terms and conditions. Enter your signature, and finally, submit.